In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flutter Developer. When it's ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard section, make sure to click on all of those options here, not only to read all the informations about, for example, your display, but also because you can tap on settings at the bottom right corners of all of those pop-ups, and this way get transferred to displays, in my case display section, in your device's settings. It also works if you click on gear icons at the top right corners of some section here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!